Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Starlink uses a constellation of low Earth orbit satellites to deliver broadband internet. The system connects you directly to satellites rather than relying on terrestrial cables. Hardware cost is about $99, and monthly service is about $10 per month for standard plans. Typical latency ranges from 20 to 50 ms for clear sky conditions and closer to 100 ms in adverse weather. Speeds commonly vary from 50 Mbps to 250 Mbps, depending on congestion and location during peak hours. Order via the Starlink website and choose residential or RV plans during checkout. You will receive a kit that includes the dish, router, power supply, and cables. Position the dish with a clear view of the sky and mount it 3.5 inches above nearby obstructions for best visibility. Connect power, plug the router, and then open the Starlink app to complete setup steps. The app will calibrate the dish and report expected download speeds of 50 to 250 Mbps. Restart the dish and router if speeds drop or latency exceeds 100 ms during regular use. Check for obstructions and trim branches that block the dish beam path. Enable port forwarding or connect devices via Ethernet to reduce local Wi-Fi bottlenecks and improve stability. If you need more consistent performance, consider upgrading to a priority tier or the business plan that can exceed 300 Mbps. Monitor performance in the app and run speed tests at different times to evaluate congestion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.